Just been working a little more on the go-kart. Got the tires put on. Throttle cable is hooked up. Kinda halfway, I guess. Got the radiator mounted up there. Next step is gonna be... there I had to modify the muffler a little bit. Next step is gonna be to mount the seat up there somehow. Probably gonna plan on putting extra support bars in here to support the cage better, because it's gonna be chances of rolling, I guess. Well, yeah, that's pretty much all the tires on, the radiator hooked up. I don't know how long or how tough this sprocket system is underneath there, but I guess we'll find out. Yeah. Let's see. So here's the stop button. Just gonna pull the rope, see if it starts. That's pretty much it for now. Should be ready to rip after a few more days.